So hey, what's up guys? Have you ever had a problem and you would figure out YouTube would have the solution? Well, I thought the same thing too. So I basically wanted to switch out between two different cameras, or three even possible in the future, while I'm streaming live and have it done automatically. I looked around, couldn't really figure out what I could use to do that. But then I found some OBS plugins, and since I use OBS, I figured that would be the best way. So if this is exactly what you're looking for, guys, drop a like, subscribe, follow, and then let's see where we go with this. So this eliminates the use of a deck port or touch portal. So you can just do this with OBS and a plugin, and getting creative with the sources itself. You want to have two sources being flipped automatically in OBS. So the way you can do that is using OBS and a plugin called Source. You can download that on their main page. There's the latest version. The link for that will also be in the description below. So download that, close out of OBS, and then install on OBS. Fire up OBS, and within sources, you should see a new option, display that source switcher. If you do not see source switcher there, go ahead and close out of it, reboot your computer, and then launch it again. Fire it up, and you should now see it there. So one thing you want to do is go ahead and click on scenes. In scenes, you want to drop two of your sources in there. So for this example, we're using Logitech C922 iPhone 12 Pro with EcoCam from Elgato Software. You honestly could connect multiple devices for this experiment, or if just how you want to set up your live stream. You have maybe 20 different cameras going throughout the device. Go back to your second scene, and then within there, you want to add a new source. And set up your source, and within properties, the two names of whatever you name your sources, you add those. Since you can't do it automatically, you're gonna have to manually type those names in. You want to tag where it says looped, and then under, you want to make sure check under where it says time switch. For that, we'll set it to about 5,000 milliseconds, so about 5 seconds, which allows you guys to see the example. But it's really whatever. I'm not quite sure what the limit is. Maybe around 50,000, or even might be even more. But then again, why would you want your videos to not switch next moment as you need to? And within switch 2, you can select which sources you're, right? Whether it be the first, random, next. I'm going with next only because we only have two sources in here, so it's going to go back and forth between. And you also want to set a transition. A media state switch is here if you want to add a video into your camera, so you can have your camera being displayed and then having a video playing clearly. So you're going to transitions, you set whichever transition you like. For this, we'll do a fade, and aspect ratio, you want to keep that to about the same, so it can just change as necessary, and the alignment's correct. So go ahead, hit OK, and with that, we're done. As usual, go ahead and play around with the settings. You might find something that's more suited for what you're looking for. Anyways, hopefully this video has been helpful enough for anyone who's trying to get creative with their content. If you like the subjects or anything we're covering, we cover RPG, gaming, and tutorials on how to improve your stream, guys, or just in tech in general. Drop a comment, like, subscribe. You can catch me. My streams are on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturdays, late in the evening. Yes, and the rest of that will be in whatever else we were covered today will be in the description below. So just if you're looking for something specifically, there are time codes also to help out with that.